Have you ever wondered why you should have your solar panels professionally cleaned? Stuck-on pollen, dirt, algae, and other organic contaminants not only make your solar panels look awful, but they also negatively impact the panel's energy output. You could see a decrease up to 30% in most cases. Rainfall is not sufficient to keep them clean either. Manufacturers recommend having them cleaned once or twice a year, depending on the accumulation of buildup. Some people will suggest using a brush and hose water, but this is not ideal, as most tap water contains trace minerals that will cause hard water spotting that will impact your panel's efficiency. Professionals use a water-fed pole with a deionized water filter to ensure a completely spotless finish. Water Wizards can make your solar panels look brand new again. We are a one-stop company with a growing list of services that you can bundle and save up to 25%. This allows you the convenience to check off multiple items from your to-do list without hiring multiple contractors. With instant online quotes and scheduling, we can get you the information and results you want fast. So don't delay. Give Water Wizards a call today and see how our 5-star magical services can make your property shine.